So this is my unbagging from Sigmall. I ordered it on May 10th, and I just received it today, which is June 15th. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, and we're gonna see what the things are like. And the canvases. Sorry for all the scrunchies. So I bought 5 of them. We're going to start with this one. And they're pretty squished, but at least they are bubble wrapped. So now I understand what you guys go through when you're trying to do these unboxings with trying to open the packages. So that one I'm not going to show. Drawing scissors. Like I said, first time doing this, so bear with me. Oh wow. So that is definitely not one of the, it's the picture that I ordered, but not the right size. And that is really bad. But besides being wrinkled, it is poured glue. May still turn out okay because they are square gem. So squares usually give you a little bit more detail. But so far that is what the drill site looks like. And then for the legend, it has the symbols, and it also has the DMC code. And with this kit, I got the glue, I got the straightener, and then the pen. No bags, but that's okay. And these have the number and the serial number on the bag as well. So if you separate them, you know where to go, where it goes. It just doesn't have the DMC, which is no big deal. Give me a second, and I will be right back grabbing a ruler. Or, yeah, be right back. And if you hear any noise in the background, it's probably my husband playing the computer, or playing the PlayStation, so. And this is a so it's a little over 11.5 inches by not quite 8 inches. So, I mean, yeah, we'll see. It's what you get when you get a free one. So, the drills are not too bad. Got a straggler. They do look relatively good, but
eventually I'm going to, make a hacker.
But yeah, so we're not gonna go through all of them, but sorry for the crinkling.
What's causing your percent chance? At best, you've got maybe like, 50% chance.
So on to the next one. Do have to say it definitely looked better or bigger on the website than it does when you actually get them.
Yeah, at best.
But again, it's what happens when you get free ones. And this pumpkin kit does come with just bags, the pen, and the glue. Does not have a extra piece, so. And this one is a round one. This one again has the serial number and the numbers on here. Does not have the DMC on either the bag or the painting. But I mean,
Yeah.
everything looks to be pretty clear. And you can kind of see everything. It's just not super. We will measure this one.
Yeah, remote hacking,
We'll do it
allows you
in
to hack enemies
centimeters instead of
it's only confusing. It's not actually hacking them for your own
inches.
primary objective.
So
It even
I'm going to
gives
do
you so yeah.
the flatter corners instead of trying to get this to flatten out. So this is
Get the elite skill specialization in order to get them to
almost 35 for the drill area. It's like 34.5
it's literally called
centimeters
remote hacking
by
unlocks the ability to hack enemy and then hacker itself, vendor or I mean
25 centimeters. And again, the drills still look pretty good, so there's that.
it doesn't work. Okay. Yeah. There he is.
So I suck at making videos. I suck at doing this. I love doing diamond paintings. I just don't really do the video aspect, but I figured I'd give it a try.
Probably.
And this is the other one. Okay, so here's your legend. It's only on the one side. No DMC. It's a 30 by 40, so let's see.
Down there, if you dominate someone, indominance is the undominable. He cannot be defeated.
So it's about a 33 by 24. That doesn't sound right.
There is a called a melting pot.
Okay. So it's not even canvas wise, it's not even 40. So sorry, taking too long to measure, but so it is well, it's not true to size. And this one is a round. Not sure if it's a copyright, but as you can see, from what I can tell, the letters is fairly good. The canvas is not damaged. It may be a little wrinkly, but it's pretty good. It's poured glue, so that's a plus. So yeah, another pumpkin one, or what people are calling pumpkin or beginner. You get these with everything. Here's the kit. This one, some come with bags, some don't. Sometimes there's no glue. And for the last one, I mean, so far, it's not the worst for when you get free stuff, or when you're getting it free. This one, the sprinkly, but I mean, no tears and bumps, and it's again poured glue. This one has the legend on both sides. And here, I'll turn it this way. So, I mean, pretty good with that. And then this one is almost 35 by almost 25. So if you measure the canvas, it is not even 40. It's 30 the one way, but not quite 40 going this way. But again, you get this kit, and this is round. Instead of opening up everything and doing it that way and crinkling everything. This one doesn't have the DMC on onto the bags, but if you do separate them, the number up here is also the number right here. So it's number 14 for this painting. But the DMC is on here. So, and then for the drill sites, right here, doesn't look that clear on the camera, but
You can actually set them up and
by looking at it, it looks how it looks here,
you can set them down.
by looking at it by the naked eye. Otherwise, could always use a light pad. Right over here is probably where I'm going to use a light pad. I mean, on here it looks fine. You can kind of make stuff out except for you don't know what this is, but it looks like S's. Yeah, it's S's. But they're different colors, so it shouldn't trip me up too much. But from the first stitch that I opened up, not so much, but I definitely like this one. So I'm relatively happy with what came. Only one I was disappointed with was the first one, so. So I finally got me some diamond paintings. So this is the one that I'm not sure on because it's so small if it's going to come out right. But that's what you get when you don't pay too close attention to the description in the for the item. You definitely want to make sure you can kind of, if it says what the drill site measurements are versus what the size is. Sometimes you do get those rare ones where they are full or they are correct with the size. Otherwise, rule of thumb, just automatically think that it's going to just be the canvas size. Well, and that's about it. Going to sign off, and hopefully I didn't do a bad job for my first time, but practice makes perfect. All right, and I may do this one just so that way this one I might work on after I'm done with my diamond dots that I bought from Hobby Lobby, which I like the canvas of it, but they have a small selection in the stores. So when I'm done working on that one, I'll work on this one. But thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Hopefully, again, I didn't do too bad. Again, these are all from Sigmall. I know somebody did order some from Sigmall, and there was I think it was Miss Crochet and Coffee. I watched her video after I placed the order because I just watched it about like 4 days ago, and then I'm like, oh man, I just ordered. And then from what she went through, I'm like, we'll just get what we get and go from there. But thanks again, and signing off.